Assalamualaikum grade 8. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today date is 21st September 2020. It is my 51st lecture and day is Monday. Today I am going to teach you about past continuous tense. I have done past indefinite tense and today I will teach you about past continuous tense. Continuous means ongoing action. If the action is still continue in past time, it is called past indefinite tense. See the definition. The past continuous tense refers to a continuing action that was happening at some point in the past. So if the action is happening in past time and it is still continue, it is called past continuous tense. Recognition. So how we recognize दिस टेंस इन उर्दू, यानी उर्दू में हम इस टेंस को कैसे पहचानेंगे. इफ़ एट द एंड ऑफ द उर्दू सेंटेंस वी हैव रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, then it will be past continuous tense in Urdu. So if at the end of the Urdu sentence we have raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, it will be past continuous tense. See the example. वो तुम्हें बुला रहा था. So रहा था, it is past continuous tense. He was calling you. If we have tha, we write was and were as helping verb and first form of verb plus ing as verb form, or we write present participle. Subject was or were, present participle and then object. See the rules. In past continuous tense we write helping verb was and were. So in this tense we write helping verb was and were. We write present participle or first form of verb plus ing in this tense. So in this tense we write present participle or first form of verb such as calling, going, jumping, eating, drinking. So we write ing form. We write was not and were not in negative sentence. We write helping verb was and were at first in the interrogative sentence. So whenever we make question we write helping verb was and were at first and then subject. We put question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. So if we are making interrogative sentences we put question mark at the end, and the interrogative sentences will be start with helping verb was and were. See the sentence structure. Positive sentence structure. We write subject plus was, were plus first form of verb plus ing, object and then full stop. The principal was delivering a speech. Negative sentence structure. Subject was not, were not, first form of verb plus ing, object plus full stop. The principal was not delivering a speech. Interrogative sentence structure. We write was, were at first, then subject, first form of verb plus ing, object and then question mark. So was the principal delivering a speech? So it is easy. We write was, were. If we have singular we write was. If we have plural we write were, and we write ing form and then we put question mark. See the example. तुम कहानी सुना रहे थे. You were telling a story. तुम कहानी नहीं सुना रहे थे. You were not telling a story. क्या तुम कहानी सुना रहे थे? Were you telling a story? So we write was not, were not in negative, and in interrogative sentences we write helping verb was and were at first. I hope you will understand the rules. It's very easy. It is your work. You have to do it on your neat notebooks, in your grammar notebooks. Best of luck class. Allah Hafiz.